Okay guys, I'm going to do a SmartPoint Weight Watcher grocery haul, and I'm going to go over some things. This first one is a cultured low-fat buttermilk, 8 ounces equals 4 SmartPoints. This and this 1% low cottage cheese, small curd, half cup is 2 SmartPoints. I'm going to be using these in a recipe, so I bought that for a reason. You'll see it later in the week. And then I have 3 SmartPoints for a 1/4 cup of the feta cheese, and 2 SmartPoints for 2 tablespoons of the Greek vinaigrette, because that Greek salad I had the other day, I want to have that for dinner tomorrow, so that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to be having tacos tonight. 4 SmartPoints for 3 ounces of ground sirloin. This here is chicken. It's 2 SmartPoints for 3 ounces of chicken. And the other meat we're going to have later in the week is pork chops. And this is 3 SmartPoints for 3 ounces. Of course, we just need regular, we drink 2% milk. And as we all know, as I tell you every day, 1/2 cup is 3 SmartPoints. I'm going to be making another recipe this week, and I needed to get these Pankow breadcrumbs, and this is a 1/4 cup is 2 SmartPoints. 1/4 cup, 0 SmartPoints. This again is for a recipe I'm making this week. You'll have to watch for those. Tacos tonight. So we have choices of a tortilla for 4 SmartPoints, or you could have 2 shells of this for 6 SmartPoints, or guess what Denise is going to be having? 2 shells equals 4 SmartPoints. So of the El Paso, just the regular stand-in stuff. And my kids really like this Dorito one. I don't really like it, so that's not calling my name. But I do happen to like a burrito. I think I'd rather have 2 tacos than 1 burrito. So that's my thought process right now. We'll see what happens later. And then of course the seasoning is 0 SmartPoints for that. This is for another recipe I'm going to be making this week. I just use regular spaghetti. I know there's diet, I know there's wheat, you know me. So this is 6 SmartPoints for 2 ounces. With that recipe I need green onion, and I also needed green onion for the tacos. That recipe also needed tamari. This is 1 to 4 tablespoons is 0 SmartPoints. That's part of it. It's kind of like a stir-fried chicken-y thing that I do with green onion and noodle. I'll show that to you, like I said, later in the week. And then of course the same Aunt Millie's whole grain bread. It's 4 SmartPoints for 2 slices. Probably won't have any of that. And some free stuff. Of course I got lettuce. That's free. Tomatoes. Tomato for the taco, bananas, all those are free, 0 points. This is to make that skinny ranch dressing. I didn't have the diet kind, it's light mayo. It's 1 tablespoon equals 1 SmartPoint. I don't use a whole lot of mayo, but my daughter loves it. So if she can eat a little less, because this is a half the fat and calories of regular mayonnaise. Let's see if she likes it, and maybe that's just a better substitute for her too. And then I have a can of sliced carrots at 0 SmartPoints. I wasn't sure because it was in the can, but I double checked, it still says 0. You know how that happens, you can have fresh and it's 0 points, and then you get it in a can and then you're 8 points. This is my snack I love. I've talked about this before. You get 10 jelly beans for 2 SmartPoints. I'll put those in snack bags so I can have something during the week, some sweet. I'm a candy lover. That helps. And this one I probably won't have, but I was just curious, and 1 cookie is 2 SmartPoints. This is really what my husband eats. They don't call my name. I like a chocolate chip cookie, but you know, when they're homemade and they're tasting good. But anyway, don't go down that road. And then I watched, an older video of Lori's from Fit and Fabulous Mamas. Hi Lori. Hi Kim. Anyway, and she made a s'more. I already have the chocolate chips, which I didn't have to buy. But then you use a 1/4 cup is 2 SmartPoints. I don't even know that I would need a 1/4 cup. So I'll have to check on that later when I make it. And then 2 crackers is 1 smart point for the graham cracker. And of course then you use the chocolate chips. So that's my haul. There's a couple of different recipes I'm going to be making this week. Tonight, as I said, will be tacos. So stay tuned. Thanks, guys.